Wood turning, it's a dance. A dance between craftsman and wood, where every move is deliberate and every touch is intentional. Now imagine that dance with a partner the size of a small car. That's giant wood turning, folks. It's not for the faint of heart. It demands focus, dedication, and a deep understanding of the material. It's about strength, precision, and respect for the material. Every cut, every shave must be perfect. Giant wood turning takes us beyond the realm of ordinary woodworking into a world of monumental creations. We're talking massive lathes, timber the size of telephone poles, and the heart-stopping whir of tools biting into wood. The results? Nothing short of awe-inspiring. These pieces are not just large, they are masterpieces. From towering sculptures to colossal bowls, the scale of these creations is breathtaking and humbling. But giant wood turning isn't just about size. It's about the artistry and the vision behind each piece. It's about pushing the boundaries of what's possible with wood, exploring new techniques and forms. It's about harnessing the raw power and beauty of nature on a grand scale, transforming it into something extraordinary. So are you ready to step up to the challenge? Ready to test your skills and creativity? Are you ready to hear the music of the lathe and feel the wood come alive under your hand, to become one with the process? Then grab your safety glasses and let's dive into the world of giant wood turning. The adventure awaits. Now, before we start wrestling with redwoods, let's talk tools. The right gear is essential for tackling these massive projects. Giant wood turning ain't your grandpappy's whittling hobby. It's a whole different ballgame. It demands specialized equipment built for power and precision. Ordinary tools just won't cut it. First up, the lathe. Forget those dainty tabletop models. We're talking serious machinery here. We're talking heavy-duty beasts with beds long enough to rival a pickup truck. These machines are built to last. These behemoths provide the stability and power needed to handle massive logs. They are the backbone of large-scale wood turning. Next, the turning tools. These ain't your average chisels. They're designed for heavy-duty work. We're talking long, sturdy handles and specially designed blades for handling the stresses of large-scale turning. These tools are built to endure. Scrapers, gouges, parting tools, each one crafted to shape and refine those timber titans. Each tool has a specific role. Safety gear is non-negotiable, folks. It's crucial for your protection. We're talking face shields, hearing protection and respiratory masks to keep you safe from flying chips and wood dust. Safety should always be a priority. Remember, safety first, artistry second. Never compromise on safety. But it ain't just about the big guns. Smaller tools play a vital role too. You'll also need chainsaws for roughing out the shape, grinders for sharpening tools, and measuring tools to keep things precise. Every tool has its place. Giant wood turning is an investment, no doubt. Quality tools come at a price. But the satisfaction of taming those wooden behemoths? Priceless. The end result is worth every effort. Choosing the right wood is crucial in giant wood turning. It's like picking a dance partner. You want someone who moves well and complements your style. Look for logs that are straight, free of cracks, and have interesting grain patterns. Softwoods like cedar and redwood are easier to work with, while hardwoods like oak and maple offer stunning durability and beauty. Once you've got your timber, it's time to prep it for the dance. Start by removing the bark and squaring up the ends. This ensures your log sits securely on the lathe. Next, find the center point on both ends and use a chainsaw to rough out the basic shape you're going for. This removes excess material and makes the turning process smoother. Remember, moisture is the enemy. Green wood will warp and crack as it dries, so make sure your log is properly seasoned. Aim for a moisture content of 8 to 10% for optimal results. Section 4, Taming the Timber, Shaping with Skill. Now comes the thrilling part, shaping the wood. With the lathe spinning, it's time to bring those turning tools into play. Start with roughing gouges, taking slow and steady passes to remove large amounts of material. As the form begins to emerge, switch to smaller gouges and scrapers for finer shaping. Remember, it's a marathon, not a sprint. Let the tools do the work and avoid forcing them. Keep your body positioned steady and maintain a consistent angle with the tool rest. This ensures smooth, even cuts and prevents catches that can send your project flying. As you work, stop the lathe frequently to check your progress and make adjustments. It's like dancing with a partner. You need to communicate and move together to create something beautiful. Section 5. Refining the form, sanding and finishing. With the basic shape defined, it's time to smooth things out and bring out the true beauty of the wood. Sanding might seem tedious, but it's crucial for achieving a professional finish on your giant wood-turning masterpiece. This step ensures that the surface is free from any rough spots or tool marks. Start with coarser grits of sandpaper, gradually moving to finer grits as you eliminate tool marks and imperfections. This gradual progression is key to achieving a smooth finish. Use long, even strokes following the contours of the wood. This technique helps maintain the natural lines and curves of your piece. Once you've achieved a silky smooth surface, it's time to apply a finish. This step is essential for both protection and aesthetics. This protects the wood from moisture, UV rays, and enhances its natural beauty. A good finish can make the wood look even more stunning. There are countless finishes to choose from, each with its own unique properties. Some finishes offer more protection, while others enhance the wood's natural appearance. Oils like tung oil and linseed oil penetrate the wood, highlighting its grain and providing a natural look. These oils are great for bringing out the character of the wood. Varnishes and lacquers create a more durable, moisture-resistant finish. They are ideal for pieces that will be exposed to wear and tear. Choose a finish that suits your project and apply it evenly, following the manufacturer's instructions. Proper application is key to a lasting finish. Remember, a little patience and the right finish will make your giant wood-turning project shine for years to come. The effort you put in now will be rewarded with a beautiful, lasting piece. Section 6. Tips for success.